breaks the silence, a distant dream, caught in the rhythm between the unseen. Echoes of night call through the air, whispering stories for those who dare.